Welcome to Cakes Factory. We are bringing you 15 stunning multicolored drip cake designs, perfect for birthdays, parties, and making a bold statement. Let's dive into sweetest rainbow drips cake you have ever seen. First one is classic drip cake, a white cake with vibrant rainbow colored drips flowing down the sides, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Simple and stunning. The next is neon splash drip cake. Bright neon color drips over a black and dark chocolate base. A great pick for glow parties and bold birthdays. The next is pastel rainbow drip cake. Soft pastel drips in pink, mint, lavender, and peach. Add pearls or mini hearts for a gentle, girly vibes. The next is candy explosion drip cake. Colorful ganj drip with candy, lollipops, and sprinkle on top. Total sugar overloaded and party ready. The next is tie-dye thrill drip cake. Multicolored drips that blend into each other like a tie-dye pattern. Each slice is as bold as the outside. Paint splash drip cake. White base with colorful ganj strips and flakes of edible paint. Aesthetic, wild, and totally fun. The next is unicorn magic drip cake. Pastel rainbow drip with a unicorn horn. Topper, thrill, frosting, and gold star. Perfect for girl's birthday. The next is two-tone multicolored drip cake. Try two bright colors like pink and yellow or teal and purple. Alternate the drips around the cake of modern for a modern twist. The next is confetti rainbow drip cake. Colorful ganj strips paired with rainbow confetti sprinkles on top. Great for kids and color lovers. The next is fruit topped multicolor cake. Use color drips that match fruit, red for strawberry, orange for mango, green for kiwi. Top with fresh slices. The next is tall layer rainbow drip cake. Extra tall cake with colorful layered sponge and multicolored drips. Down a smooth buttercream finish. The next is metallic rainbow drip cake. Add edible shimmer or luster dust to each colored drip for a shiny, magical look. Parties. The next is party hat drip cake. Multicolored drips, fondant stars, and mini party hat toppers. Add birthday candles to finish it off. The next is bento sized multicolored drip cake. Perfect for girls and cakes. This is disco drip cake. Use rainbow drips and covers the sides in edible glitter and metallic balls. Add a mini disco balls on top for extra sparkle. These 15 multicolored drips cake idea are full of fun, flavor, and fabulous color. Which one would you love to try for your next celebration? Let us know in the comment. And don't forget to like this video and share with others. Subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a sweet idea only on Cakes Factory. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.